Hello renovation friends, welcome back to our little construction site. Today we are starting with boxing in the heating system, but if you look very closely you can see an improvement which we couldn't show you yet. Can you see it? Our friend was in the house and filled in all the gaps in the plaster boards. You can see some of it on the kitchen ceiling already. Unfortunately, we were not able to film it because our friend didn't want to be on camera. But the result is great already. We will have a look upstairs in a bit, but for now we watch my dad putting the plaster boards on in the living room. While he's doing that, another friend came to wire the electrics. And then my mom, who is the best construction inspector in the world, is having a look at the filled-in plasterboards upstairs.
Und ist die Bauaufsicht zufrieden?
Ja, sieht gut aus.
Ja? Mhm. Hat er das ordentlich gemacht?
Ja.
So, hier ist auch schon eine ganze Menge passiert. Ja, geht vorwärts. Es geht voran. Wertstoffhof. Was machst du? Blumen für die Baustelle oder was?
Für die Baustelle.
Sondern?
Die Einfahrt.
Und die Einfahrt ist keine Baustelle oder was?
Die ist ja fertig.
Oh, ey.
Yay, flowers! I went to the gardening department of the hardware store and I got some really nice plants for the driveway. Don't know what you think, but I personally like things to get finished off with some plants. Especially the driveway, which is the first thing you see when you come to the house. I like it to open the gate and see some type of decoration. Is this a female thing? I guess so. Or do you decorate your construction sites as well? Let me know in the comments. I know it's a bit daft, but it's a good feeling, isn't it? Now, doesn't that look beautiful with all the colors and the fresh green? Yes, it does. Now I'm going to throw away all the old rests of the plasterboards into the trailer. I brought the trailer today, so I didn't just get the flowers, I've done some useful stuff as well. Like emptying the trailer and bringing it to the construction site. By the way, we also have all the electrics wired up now. Lots of plug points. You can never have enough plug points. Upstairs everything is filled in and sanded down twice now, so we can start wallpapering soon.
So, heute werden wir die Balken hier, die werden wir heute einbauen hier. Das ist der Plan, damit wir hier die ollen Dokas rausnehmen können und hier dann auch weiterkommen. Was willst du denn, Murdoch? Was willst du denn? Ja, was? Ja, was ist? Ja, was ist? Ja, komm her, komm her. Ja, was denn? Ja, was denn? Ja, ja, Köter auf der Baustelle. Sei vorsichtig, Murdoch.
Murdoch is totally excited because he has high hopes for this little stick. maybe he can play with it. Du kannst das wesentlich schwungvoller als ich.
So wird geschliffen, dann ist man so im Rhythmus drin.
Yeah, my dad is really getting in the swing of things. But sanding beams is actually my job. He can build it in when I'm finished. Yeah.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Na, das ist doch gut hier.
Oh, ja, schick.
So wollte ich es machen.
Ja, das sieht cool aus. Das sieht richtig cool aus. Ja, halt mal so. Oh, das ist richtig geil. Kann man schön Blümchen draufstellen.
Ja.
Ja, setz doch eine Maske auf. Heulsuse.
Ist ein bisschen heller, das Holz, ne? Habe ich den Eindruck. Als das andere.
Ja, stimmt.
Aber deutlich heller. Dann können wir den Balken ja nicht nehmen. Guck mal, was das für ein Unterschied ist.
Kriegen wir das nicht mit Öl noch irgendwie hin?
Ja. Das sieht nicht gut aus.
Sieht aus wie ein neuer Balken.
Ja,
Ist ja
dann
scheiße.
brauchst du nicht schleifen.
Weg damit.
Ja,
Und jetzt?
nehmen wir einen anderen.
Okay. Denn?
Ja, ich habe keinen anderen hier. Jetzt müssen wir. Muss ich noch mal welchen holen. Aber das ist scheiße. Wenn der so hell ist, das sieht nicht gut aus.
Okay, dann lass ich da.
Ja.
Ach, that's a shame that the colors don't fit properly. Sounds like we need to have a look for another old beam. Not sure if we can get one though. This is a bit like a treasure hunt, to be honest. We always have to be lucky that someone is tearing down an old barn or something and has some old beams which are still in good condition and he wants to get rid of. So yeah, it's not that easy. Luckily, we know a lot of people who renovate old farmhouses, so keep your fingers crossed that someone can help us out here. For now, my dad is finishing the false ceiling in the living room and I'm probably sanding door frames or take the dogs for a walk. One or the other.
I've been thinking for days, yeah, I've been thinking for years, that I'll tell myself I'll stop the things that keep me from you, dear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. And I keep hoping that I'll change. Yes, I believe I'll be a saint. And I keep myself from feeling with the pictures that I paint, but I keep on losing it till I've lost the only thoughts that keep me sane. I've been wasting all my days. Yes, I've been wasting them for years. And I do my best to block the thoughts and hope they disappear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. I think that I need to rearrange things. I'll be a man of God and faith. And I wash away my sins and have my soul cast in the lake and burn my days away. Oh God, I've lost the only thought.
Okay, finishing the last plasterboards for the ceiling and then we will call it a day. We hope you enjoyed the video and give us a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.